KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how my family makes Cevapi. Alright, it's every family's got their own recipe. There's no right, there's no wrong way, but this is the way that we've always made it, and it tastes amazing. I'm going to start off with about 400 grams worth of pork mince and 500 grams worth of beef mince. Alright, let's put that straight into a bowl, just like that. Alternatively, you can buy the combination of the two. Right, 2 teaspoons worth of salt. That's going in. 2 teaspoons worth of ground black pepper. That's going in as well. Really simple. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Right, and load that up. 2 teaspoons worth of onion powder. Right, really nice and simple. And these give you a nice little combination of flavors. And 2 teaspoons worth of paprika. I'm using a smoked paprika. I just like the flavour. You can use a traditional paprika if you like. And all we're simply going to do is start mixing all this through. Now, different people have different ideas on how to make Cevapi. Some people add lamb. Some people add ground onion in there, like a grated onion. I like to make mine pretty nice and simple. So here I've got a little cake tray. I've lined that with some baking paper, and I'm simply going to put all of our mixture in there, just like that. Now what I do, I start pressing all of this down into the tray, and we're simply just going to try and make this a big solid brick around about 1 inch thick. Right, about that. Right, so we're just going to do that. Now I can use my sausage maker on my food processor, and that does make beautiful Cevapi. Look, I'm just going to show you, if you don't have an expensive food processor like mine, you can just do it this way. It's really simple, and this is the way I've done it for 30-40 years now. Right? It'd be close to 40 years is the way I've been making Cevapi or Cevaps. Right, so we're simply just going to make a nice big solid log, right, just like that. I've tipped that out onto a board, and all I'm simply going to do now is start slicing this up. I'm going to cut it straight through the center first, and then I'm going to make, again, sort of 1 inch little logs. Right, so it's got to be 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch type deal. Just going to put those aside on some baking paper, like that. And if you haven't had Cevapi before, they are a really nice Balkan type little skinless sausage. They just taste great. They work great on a barbecue. And if you don't have a barbecue, you can always do them in the fry pan, which is what we're pretty much going to be doing today. All right, so just going to keep cutting those up just like that. Put them aside. If they're looking a little bit there, look, just pat them closer together, get rid of the rough edges, just keep smushing them together a little bit, try and make them all nice and even. I'm just going to put those straight down on top of a non-stick teppanyaki grill, but as I said, barbecue is better. Just a nice medium type heat. We don't need to go too hard with these, and of course, because we don't have the skin, they're not going to split. So I'm simply just going to put those down for a little bit, and as soon as I see a little bit of browning happening, a little bit of color, I'm going to give those a flip, sort of 90 degrees. Right, so we're simply just going to flip these over. Not going to take that long at all, and you want to make sure you do cook your Cevapi quite well. Right, we don't want them undercooked, especially with the pork mince. Right, so just keep flipping those 90 degrees. In the meantime, you can get whatever size you like together. If you want to use some cabbage salad by Curtin Australia, there's a recipe there on the channel for making that. If you want to make tzatziki, put that there. It works great with that. Obviously, there's a video for that on the channel. It also works great with hummus. There's a video on the channel how to make that. It's so simple. Serve it up just with some tomato and lettuce if you like. It's going to take you around about sort of 5-6 minutes to cook these things off, maybe a little bit longer, and there you go. You've got KP's family's Cevapi. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn something, a little bit out there from my heritage and all the rest of it, well, you need to come and join the family, my family, literally, and hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my Cevapis, and I will catch you next time. Bye.